puck light transformer installation requires several materials including puck lights, a puck light transformer, wire nuts, electrical tape, a drill, a screwdriver, and a voltage tester. Before you begin, there are several steps to follow for a successful installation. Firstly, preparation is key. Shut off the power to the circuit where the puck lights will be installed. Use a voltage tester to confirm that the power is off. Do not skip this step. Secondly, wiring the transformer involves several sub-steps. Cut 2 lengths of wire for the hot and neutral connections, making them long enough to reach from the puck light transformer to the power source. Strip the insulation from the ends of the wires by about 1/2 inch. Connect the black wire from the transformer to the hot wire coming from the power source. Connect the white wire from the transformer to the neutral wire coming from the power source. Secure the wire connections with wire nuts and wrap electrical tape around them for insulation. Thirdly, mounting the transformer requires careful consideration. Choose a suitable location for the transformer that is accessible for any future maintenance or troubleshooting. Drill a pilot hole and insert a screw. Mount the transformer using the provided mounting hardware. Fourthly, wiring the puck lights is essential. Connect the plug from each puck light to the output port on the transformer. Ensure that the plugs are securely inserted. Fifthly, mounting the puck lights involves deciding on the desired locations for the puck lights. Remove the backing from the adhesive tape on the back of each puck light. Press the puck lights into place and hold firmly for a few seconds. Finally, testing is important to confirm proper operation. Turn on the power to the circuit. Use the light switch or dimmer to test the puck lights. Ensure that all puck lights are functioning properly. Keep in mind the following tips for successful puck light transformer installations. Use a transformer that is rated for the wattage of the puck lights being used. Do not overload the transformer. If you are installing puck lights in a humid or moist environment, consider using weather-resistant or moisture-resistant puck lights and transformers. Remember to work safely when dealing with electricity. If you are not comfortable with any of the steps, it is best to consult a qualified electrician. Puck lights are a popular lighting solution for various applications, including undercarbonate lighting, display cases, and accent lighting. They are compact, energy efficient, and provide a focused beam of light. To power these lights, a transformer is often required to convert the standard 120 volts alternating current from the electrical grid to a lower voltage, typically 12 volts direct current or 24 volts direct current, that the puck lights can safely use. The transformer is a crucial component of the puck light system, and its proper installation is essential for ensuring the lights function correctly and safely. A puck light transformer is an electrical device designed to step down the voltage from a higher level, such as 120 volts alternating current, to a lower level suitable for puck lights, typically 12 volts direct current or 24 volts direct current. These transformers come in various sizes and wattage ratings to accommodate different numbers and types of puck lights. It is important to select a transformer that is appropriately sized for the total wattage of the puck lights being used to avoid overloading the transformer, which can lead to overheating and potential failure. There are two main types of puck light transformers: electronic transformers and magnetic transformers. Electronic transformers are smaller, lighter, and more energy efficient than magnetic transformers. They use electronic components to convert the voltage, resulting in a more stable and efficient power supply. Magnetic transformers, on the other hand, are larger and heavier, but they are generally more robust and less susceptible to voltage fluctuations. The choice between electronic and magnetic transformers depends on the specific requirements of the application, such as size constraints, energy efficiency considerations, and the desired level of reliability. Before starting the installation, gather all the necessary materials and tools. In addition to the puck lights and transformer, you will need wire nuts, electrical tape, a drill, a screwdriver, and a voltage tester. Wire nuts are used to make secure and insulated electrical connections between wires. Electrical tape is used to provide additional insulation and protection to the wire connections. A drill is needed to create pilot holes for mounting the transformer. A screwdriver is used to tighten the screws that secure the transformer in place. A voltage tester is essential for verifying that the power to the circuit is turned off before working on any electrical connections. Before beginning the installation process, it is crucial to ensure that the power to the circuit where the puck lights will be installed is turned off. Locate the circuit breaker that controls the power to the area and switch it to the off position. To double check that the power is indeed off, use a voltage tester to confirm that there is no voltage present at the wires where you will be making the connections. This step is paramount for safety, as working on live electrical circuits can result in severe electric shock or electrocution. Once the power is safely turned off, the next step is to prepare the wires for connecting the transformer. Cut 2 lengths of wire, one for the hot connection and one for the neutral connection, that are long enough to reach from the puck light transformer to the power source. Use a wire stripper to remove approximately 1/2 inch of insulation from the ends of the wires. This will expose the bare copper wire, which will be used to make the electrical connections. When connecting the transformer, it is essential to follow the proper wiring conventions to ensure that the circuit functions correctly and safely. The black wire from the transformer should be connected to the hot wire coming from the power source. The white wire from the transformer should be connected to the neutral wire coming from the power source. Use wire nuts to securely connect the wires, twisting them tightly to ensure a solid connection. After securing the wire connections with wire nuts, it is recommended to wrap electrical tape around the wire nuts and the exposed wires for additional insulation and protection. This will help prevent accidental contact with the wires and reduce the risk of electrical shock. Choose a suitable location for mounting the transformer that is easily accessible for future maintenance or troubleshooting. The location should also be dry and protected from moisture, as moisture can damage the transformer and create a safety hazard. Once you are selected a suitable location, drill a pilot hole and insert a screw. Then, mount the transformer using the provided mounting hardware, ensuring that it is securely fastened to the surface. After the transformer is mounted, connect the puck lights to the output port and the transformer. The output port is typically located on the transformer and is designed to accept the plugs from the puck lights. Ensure that the plugs are securely inserted into the output port to establish a reliable electrical connection. Before mounting the puck lights, decide on the desired locations for the lights. Consider the lighting effect you want to achieve and the placement of the objects you want to illuminate. Once you have determined the optimal locations, remove the backing from the adhesive tape on the back of each puck light and press the lights into place, holding firmly for a few seconds to ensure that they adhere securely to the surface. After all the connections are made and the puck lights are mounted, it is time to test the installation. Turn the power back onto the circuit by switching the circuit breaker to the on position. Use the light switch or dimmer to turn on the puck lights and verify that they are functioning properly. Check that all the lights are illuminated and that there are no flickering or other issues. If any of the lights do not work, double check the connections and ensure that the transformer is properly sized for the number of lights being used. When selecting a transformer for puck lights, it is crucial to choose a transformer that is rated for the total wattage of the lights being used. The wattage rating of the transformer should be equal to or greater than the sum of the wattage of all the puck lights connected to it. Overloading the transformer can cause it to overheat and fail, which can damage the lights and create a safety hazard. It is important to avoid overloading the transformer by exceeding its maximum wattage rating. If you plan to add more puck lights in the future, it is advisable to choose a transformer with a higher wattage rating to accommodate the additional load. If you are installing puck lights in a humid or moist environment, such as a bathroom or kitchen, it is important to use weather-resistant or moisture-resistant puck lights and transformers. These lights and transformers are designed to withstand exposure to moisture and humidity without corroding or malfunctioning. Using weather-resistant or moisture-resistant components will help ensure the longevity and safety of the puck light system in these environments. When working with electricity, it is essential to prioritize safety. Always turn off the power to the circuit before making any electrical connections. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any wires. Wear appropriate safety gear such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. If you are not comfortable with any of the steps involved in the installation process, it is best to consult a qualified electrician. A qualified electrician has the knowledge, skills, and experience to safely and properly install puck lights and transformers. Hiring an electrician can help ensure that the installation is done correctly and that the electrical system is safe and up to code. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for electrical installations to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. Adhering to the NEC is crucial for ensuring that the puck light installation is safe and compliant with local regulations. Some key NEC requirements related to puck light installations include proper wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and grounding. It is important to consult the NEC and local electrical codes to ensure that the installation meets all applicable requirements. The transformer needs to be accessible. This means the transformer should be located in a place where it can be easily reached for inspection, maintenance, or replacement. Accessibility is important for troubleshooting any issues that may arise with the transformer and for ensuring that it can be easily replaced if it fails. Consider the location of the transformer carefully to ensure that it is accessible without requiring the removal of any permanent structures or fixtures. Proper ventilation is crucial for preventing the transformer from overheating. The transformer should be located in a well-ventilated area where air can circulate freely around it. Avoid enclosing the transformer in a tight space or covering it with insulation, as this can trap heat and cause the transformer to overheat. Overheating can damage the transformer and reduce its lifespan. Ensure that the transformer has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating and ensures long-term reliability. When making electrical connections, it is important to use the correct size and type of wire for the application. The wire size should be appropriate for the current carrying capacity required by the puck lights and the transformer. Using undersized wire can cause the wire to overheat and potentially start a fire. Use wire nuts or other approved connectors to make secure and reliable electrical connections. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper use of wire connectors. Ensure that all connections are tight and well insulated to prevent electrical shorts and hazards. Consider using a dimmer switch to control the brightness of the puck lights. A dimmer switch allows you to adjust the intensity of the light to suit your needs and preferences. This can be particularly useful for creating different moods or for saving energy. Choose a dimmer switch that is compatible with the type of puck lights and transformer you are using. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the dimmer switch. Inspect the puck lights and transformer regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Check for frayed wires, loose connections, or cracked housings. If you notice any damage, replace the damaged components immediately to prevent electrical hazards. Regular inspection and maintenance can help ensure the safe and reliable operation of the puck light system. Consider the energy efficiency of the puck lights and transformer. Choose energy-efficient LED puck lights to reduce energy consumption and save money on your electricity bill. Look for transformers that have a high energy efficiency rating. Energy-efficient components can help reduce the overall cost of operating the puck light system and minimize its environmental impact. Keep a record of the installation details, including the type of puck lights and transformer used, the wiring diagram, and the date of installation. This record can be useful for future maintenance or troubleshooting. Store the record in a safe and accessible place where it can be easily retrieved when needed. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe, reliable, and energy-efficient puck light installation that will provide years of trouble-free operation.